Encyclopedia in minutes. Our Planet Earth, Part 2. Earth looks mainly blue and white from space because of its water content, which covers 70% of Earth's surface. The white swirling patterns are clouds and brown and green are lands. Earth has special conditions which makes life on Earth possible, and for this purpose we need to study subsystems of the Earth, the four spheres. Earth spheres. Geographers break down the Earth systems into four spheres that make up the world's subsystems. Number 1. Air, atmosphere. Number 2. Water, hydrosphere. Number 3. Land, lithosphere. And number 4. Living organisms, biosphere. Three of the Earth's spheres are abiotic. Abiotic describes substances that are made from non-living materials. Biotic relates to all living things. Examples: bacteria, birds, mammals, insects, and plants. Let's study each one of them. The first sphere of the Earth, the atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere. The gaseous component above the surface of the Earth is known as atmosphere. It is made up of gaseous components and tiny water particles. The gases in the atmosphere are kept in place by force of gravity. The heat from the sun is radiated to the Earth and is reflected in the atmosphere. The heat from the sun warms up the surface of the Earth and causes evaporation, thereby sending moisture into the atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere. According to NASA, gases in the Earth's atmosphere include nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, argon 0.90%, carbon dioxide 0.03%. Other trace amounts of neon, helium, methane, krypton, and hydrogen, as well as water vapor, are also found in the atmosphere. Layers of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is comprised of layers based on temperature. These layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Let's discuss each one of them. Troposphere. The troposphere is the layer closest to Earth's surface. It is 4 to 12 miles, 7 to 20 km thick. Air is warmer near the ground and gets colder higher up. Nearly all the water vapor and dust are found in this layer, because of which clouds are formed. It is the layer we live in. Stratosphere. The stratosphere is the second layer. It starts above the troposphere and ends about 31 miles 50 km above the ground. Ozone is abundant here and it heats the atmosphere while also absorbing harmful radiation from the sun. The air here is very dry and 1,000 times thinner than at sea level. In this layer, jet aircrafts and weather balloons fly. Mesosphere. The mesosphere is the layer where meteors entering the Earth's atmosphere break up. There are enough gases here to create friction which causes the meteors to burn up. We can see those at night as shooting stars. The mesosphere starts at 31 miles 50 km and extends to 53 miles 85 km high. The mesosphere layer is the coldest of Earth's atmosphere as temperature remains here at minus 90 degrees. Thermosphere. The thermosphere layer is above mesosphere layer. It extends from about 56 miles 90 km to between 310 and 620 miles, that is 500 and 1000 km. Temperatures can get up to 1200 degrees Celsius. The air density in this layer is so low that layer is considered as outer space. Thermosphere is a layer where space shuttles fly and where the International Space Station orbits Earth. Exosphere. The exosphere is the highest layer. It is extremely thin and it is where the atmosphere merges into outer space. It is composed of widely dispersed particles of hydrogen and helium. Earth is the only planet in the solar system with an atmosphere that can sustain life. This atmosphere is retained by Earth's gravity. The atmosphere of Earth protects life on Earth by creating pressure, allowing for liquid water to exist on Earth's surface, absorbing ultraviolet solar radiation, warming the surface through heat retention, greenhouse effect, and maintaining temperatures between day and night. The study of Earth's atmosphere and its processes is called atmospheric science, that is aerology. Here comes NASA. NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA is a USA government agency that is responsible for science and technology related to air and space. NASA's Airborne Science Program. The Airborne Science Program uses different kinds of aircraft to test the instruments that fly on spacecraft such as satellites. The instruments on the airplanes also collect information about Earth's atmosphere, sea ice, glaciers, and ice sheets. Aircraft fly 21 km above Earth's surface and fly multiple times per year. Number second of the Earth's sphere is hydrosphere. The hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is the sphere of water that surrounds our planet. In Latin, hydro means water. Earth's hydrosphere. Earth is the only planet in our solar system on which liquid water is present. More than two-thirds of the Earth's surface is covered by water. In addition to the oceans, the hydrosphere consists of water in lakes and streams, subsurface water, the ice of glaciers, and water vapor in the atmosphere. Forms of water present on Earth: river and lakes, underground water, ice, ocean, and seas. The frozen part, that is ice, of the hydrosphere has its own name: cryosphere. The cryosphere is the frozen water of the earth and is further broken into four types: glacier, snow cover, floating ice, and permafrost. As gas, water is found as water vapor in the atmosphere. The hydrosphere is the liquid water component of the earth. It includes the oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. The hydrosphere covers about 70% of the surface of the earth and is home for many plants and animals. Third sphere of the earth is lithosphere. The solid part of earth that consists of all solid rock as well as soils and loose rocks on the surface of the earth. The lithosphere contains the elements of the earth crust and part of upper mantle. This is the hard and rigid outer layer of the earth. The term is taken from the Greek word lithos, meaning rocks. The thickest layer of the Earth's sphere, the lithosphere. Number 4 sphere of the Earth is biosphere. Biosphere is that part of Earth where living things grow and live. It is the portion of the planet that can sustain life. The portions or regions where organisms are found are collectively called the biosphere. The word biosphere came from the word bios, which refers to life, and spira, that refers to Earth's shape. Biosphere includes both non-living elements and living organisms. Scientists have estimated the total amount of 8.7 billion different species in the biosphere. About 2.2 million live under the water and 6.5 million are on land. Biosphere refers to the areas or regions of the earth possessing life. It is the part of the earth that includes all biological communities and their environment. It is the part of the earth where life exists. Three parts of biosphere. Atmosphere, the gaseous envelope surrounding a planet. Hydrosphere, the aquatic part of biosphere. Lithosphere, the terrestrial part of biosphere. The biosphere is made up of all parts of Earth where life exists, all ecosystems. Biosphere extends from deepest root system of trees to dark environment of ocean trenches to lush rainforest, high mountain tops and transition zones where ocean and terrestrial system meet. Coming up next, Earth's atmosphere, greenhouse effect, hydrospheres, water cycle, lithosphere, rock cycle, and biosphere, biogeochemical cycle. To be continued. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. And thanks for watching.